What's up, guys? It's your girl LaShondacapri, and as you can tell by the title of this video, I'm gonna show you guys how I clean my makeup brushes. As you can tell in my videos, I do not put on foundation much. Not saying that I don't ever, but 90% of the time I am makeup free. Sometimes I don't even do my eyebrows. I just recently start doing my eyebrows back, so that's the only reason why my eyebrows are filled in now. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how I clean my brushes. You don't need anything fancy to clean your brushes, guys. This particular set of brushes I have not cleaned in about 2 years because I don't use them as much. But when I do use them, I just throw them in a drawer and I don't even clean them or anything. So I'm gonna take the time to show you guys how I do clean my brushes when I am cleaning my brushes. I'm gonna actually show you how bad my makeup brushes need a cleaning. So this is my beauty blender, pretty dirty. This is my other beauty blender, pretty dirty. I'm gonna show you guys my brushes. All my brushes are dirty right now. Well, I got some that are not dirty that I just know I bought not too long ago, but look how many brushes that are dirty, guys. I should be ashamed of myself, but here we go. So these are my brushes. Look how freaking dirty they are. Look, this is horrible. Look at that. Look at that. Before we jump straight into this video, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Comment, like, subscribe, guys. Like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Let's jump straight into this video. Let's go. I'm now in my bathroom. I'm gonna show you guys what products I use to clean my brushes. You do not need actual brush cleaner, guys, to clean your brushes. So what I like to use is some Dawn. It does not have to be this particular Dawn. It can be the blue Dawn, the red Dawn, the green, the orange. This one, it can be any Dawn. So I like to use Dawn. And also I like to put in some extra virgin olive oil. Yes, guys, the extra virgin olive oil will help break down any makeup buildup. So this is really, really good to help break down any makeup buildup, guys. Also, guys, if you have one of these, you want to use a egg makeup brush cleaner. And I got this one for $1. I really don't remember where I got this from, but guys, if you don't have one of these, just use the inside of your hand. The inside of your hand works perfect, but I am gonna do this video using this item. You can actually get these off Amazon, I know for sure. I think you get 2 for $5. I will leave the link below. So also I got a bowl to mix my Dawn and my olive oil in. There's no particular amount that I'm going to use. I'm just going to kind of guess in my head. That's what I always do. But for you guys, I would say maybe use 2 tablespoons and then only 1 tablespoon of the extra olive oil. So let's jump straight into this video. Also, guys, I wanted to mention, make sure you're using lukewarm water. Don't use extremely hot water or extremely cold water. Use lukewarm water when you're doing this. As you guys can see, look how much cleaner that is. Literally took me under 5 minutes to clean that. So let's keep going. guys, on this makeup brush egg cleaner, guys, it has small little bristles right here to get the little tiny brushes. So it has this for the big brushes and this little part right here for the tiny little brushes. Now I'm gonna clean my beauty blender. It's so dirty, so dirty. Look at that. Both of them are really dirty. Look how clean my beauty blender is now. And the next one. Make sure you're very careful while cleaning your beauty blenders, but look, totally clean, guys. I'm all done, guys. Okay, guys, I'm back and I'm done finishing up my brushes, cleaning them very well. I'm gonna show you guys how they came out. Look how clean they are. Fresh and clean, guys. If you remember in the beginning of the video, they were pretty filthy, super filthy. Look at them now. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that, guys. You see that? Super clean. And my beauty blenders. That's my other brush. Clean, super clean. And if you remember my beauty blenders were horrible. This is what they look like after cleaning them. Look at that. Super clean. Oops. Super clean. This one had all the foundation on it. Super clean, guys. Look at that. Clean. And guys, like I said, you only need some Dawn dish detergent and some olive oil. These items do not cost a lot. For the egg brush cleaner, like I said, I don't remember where I got this particular, but I will leave a link below to get some on Amazon. Amazon, I think, has 2 for $5.99, which is a really good deal. Also, I'm gonna leave a link below for the brush mat that actually sits in the sink. But one of these will do just fine. Or like I said, if your brushes are dirty and you do not have the brush egg, just use the palm of your hands, and make sure you are using lukewarm water, because you don't want to use hot water and the glue that's keeping this in, the bristle on, you don't want that to come, you know, residue undone. You don't want it to fall apart, your brushes to fall apart. After I clean my brushes, I also do pat them dry a little bit on a towel and leave them overnight to dry. So guys, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to subscribe and like and share. And guys, until next video, as I always say, I will see you guys later.